Welcome to a quick introduction on Sports Carnival, a booking and facility management software solution for your business. You can set up activity reservations, create waivers, take payments, build leagues, and market your business to your customers in one simple tool. Let's take a look at one of our most popular features, online reservations, which allow customers to book themselves at your business and make a payment. So let's navigate to an activity. I'm going to go to axe throwing. And based on how many people I enter, the available packages for that amount of people will appear. So let's enter 10. We have axe throwing here. You can choose different times if you'd like. Let's just stick with 60. And if I choose Wednesday, all the available times pop up here. Let's choose 2 p.m. And we have a couple options on the left after we choose our product. If we want to add on Ninja Stars, if you want to add on shirts or beers, you can do that right here on the left side as well. So let's just add a pizza. And I'll enter my party name, any notes I need to. There's a spot for coupon codes if you'd like to offer coupon codes. And now let's just check out and take the payment. So we'll enter details, agree to the terms of service, and book it. And just like that, our client has made a reservation. An email will get sent to them with all their details and receipt. And then they can also sign their waivers from their email and a couple other things. So that will be the customer's view. And let's just take a quick look at what it looks like in the admin side. So I'm logged in as an admin here and go to my axe throwing schedule. I can scroll down and see the reservation I just made. It took up 2 lanes because I have it set for 6 people per lane. Let's end it there. We'll go into some more details and further videos on the admin. Thank you.